Reballing the Wi-Fi IC on an iPhone 7 Plus can be a complex and delicate process. It is not recommended for those without experience or proper equipment. The Wi-Fi IC integrated circuit is a small component that manages the wireless network connectivity of the device. When it fails, it can cause issues with connecting to Wi-Fi networks, slow speeds, or complete loss of connectivity. Reballing the Wi-Fi IC involves removing the component from the logic board, cleaning the area around it, and then placing a new IC and soldering it back onto the board. The process requires specialized tools and skills to ensure that the new IC is properly aligned and soldered in place. If you are not experienced in microsoldering or electronics repair, it is recommended to seek the assistance of a professional repair service that specializes in iPhone repairs. They will have the proper equipment and experience to ensure that the repair is completed successfully. Palash Telecom. For 67, Singapore Bangkok Market. 3rd floor, Agrabad, Chattogram. Call 01818208499.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it as I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. seems to follow, like a shadow dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, let me bleed.
Subscribe Bablu GSM YouTube channel. Subscribe Bablu GSM YouTube channel.